Welcome everybody in my new class. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also keeping fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I come once again to teach you another grammatical item, and this is right form of verb. So dear student, let's learn right from rules of right from verb one by one. Rule 1, the boy play football. This is an example of present indefinite tense, so and subject is third person singular number, so the answer will be the boy plays football. Here you must use s after verb because the subject is third person singular number. Number 2, he always carry an umbrella with him. This is the same problem, so use is after carry. Answer, he always carries an umbrella with him. Number 3, Rina go to school every day. Answer, Rina goes to school every day. Rule 2, he always sleep in the morning. Here there is always, so this is also the example of present indefinite tense, so use s after sleep. The answer will be he always sleeps in the morning. This is his habit. Number 2, a good boy learns his lesson regularly. Answer, a good boy learns his lessons regularly. Number 3, when she take breakfast normally. This is an example of present indefinite tense, but in the form of interrogative sentence. So use do or does before subject. Here the subject is third person singular number, so use does. So the answer will be when does she take breakfast normally. Rule 3, the girl not read a book. This is also an example of present indefinite tense, and only not is not used, so use do or does. Here the subject is third person number, so use does before not, so the answer will be the girl does not read a book. You must remember that up after do not, does not, or did not, the present form of verb is used. Number 2, he came home yesterday. This is an example of past tense because there is an indication of yesterday. This indicates past time, so use past form of come. So the answer will be, and this is an example of past indefinite tense, so use did before subject. So the answer is did he come home yesterday. Rule 4, why he looks so happy. Use do or does before subject. Here the subject is third person singular number, so use does before he. So the answer will be why does she look so happy. Number 2, what you do. Use do before subject you, so the answer will be what do you do. Number 3, where they go yesterday. Use did before they, so the answer will be where did they go yesterday. Dear students, now rule 5. 1, he read a book now. If there is now or at this moment at the end of a sentence, it will be present continuous tense. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am is plus base form of verb plus ing. So the answer will be he is reading a book now. Number 2, they play at this moment. The answer will be they are playing at this moment. Dear students, rule 6, he has finished the work. If there is have, has, or had, The sentence will be present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past partial verb then extension. So the answer will be he has finished the work. Number two, we have selected him captain. The answer will be we have selected him captain. Rule 7. I see him recently. If there is an indication of just now, recently, lately, already, yet, it will be present perfect tense. And we know the structure present perfect tense, so the answer will be I have seen him recently. Number two, you ever be to Cox's brother. This is here there is ever and this is example of individual sentence, so use have before you and first person will be is been. So the answer will be have you ever been to Cox's brother? Number three, he go out just now. Answer, he has gone out just now. Too late, he come home last night. If there is last night, yesterday, long ago, etc. at the end of a sentence, it will be past indefinite tense. Here there is last tense, so the answer will be he came home last night. Number two, I see him yesterday. The answer will be I saw him yesterday. Number three, I met him long ago. Answer, I met him long ago. Dear students, now roll 9. 1. No sooner had he paid the money than he went away. If there is no sooner had, the part will be past participle. So the answer will be no sooner had he taken the money than he ran away. Here, taken is the past participle of take. Number 2. Scarcely had the teacher entered the classroom than the students stood up. The answer will be scarcely had the teachers entered the classroom when the students stood up. Roll 10. It, it is many years since I come to Dhaka. Here, since is a conjunction or connectors, and the, the first clause is present indefinite tense, so the next clause will past tense. So the answer will be it is many years since I came to Dhaka. Here, the past tense of come is came. Number 2, many years have passed since his father died. The answer will be many years have passed since his father died. Row 11. He go to bed before I came. This is example of past perfect tense. So here there are two actions. One is he go to bed, another he came. So the first one will be past perfect tense, the next one will be past indefinite tense. So the answer will be he had gone to bed before I came. We know the structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past partial verb. Number 2, I came after he left home. Here there are two actions, one came, another leave, and leave happened before came. So the answer will be I came after he had left home. The students now individual work. Rewrite the following sentences. 1. A good student make notes of his own. Number 2. Why Mr. Peter looks so angry. Number 3. He has buy a book recently. Number 4. He not go to school yesterday. Number 5. They arrived here after you leave. Now take your pen and paper and try to solve the problem by yourself within 2 minutes. Now, may you answer with me. 1. A good student makes notes of his own. Number 2. Why does Mr. Peter look so angry? Number 3. He has bought a book recently. Number 4. He did not go to school yesterday. Number 5. They arrived here after you have left. I think you have done all the questions correctly. So now, homework. Rewrite the following sentences. 1. The cook is saying in spring. Number 2. He not yet finished the work. Number 3. What you do now? Number 4. Father come home last night. And 5. It is many years since they met last. Do them at home. Any possible show me in my general class. Thank you so much to join with me. See you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.